Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to replace your hood support struts on a 2006 Acura MDX. This will be the same for many other vehicles, and this is a super easy job. But it's very annoying if this hood just keeps falling down. This one will not stay up at all. I've got it propped up over here with just a piece of wood, because you know, even just checking the oil or anything like that, popping the hood, this thing just completely falls down, doesn't stay up at all. These hood struts are completely shot. These are the replacements that I've got. I picked them up on Amazon from Boxy. I'll get a link to these in the description for you. But this is a super easy job. It doesn't hardly take any time at all. And the only real tool you'll need is just a small flathead screwdriver, because we need to pry out these little clips to pop these off. This replacement is just already ready to snap right onto that. This has a little bit of an angle to it, but I don't think that will matter. Let's take a look. Oh, it's threaded on there. We'll just make sure that that stays on. And so removing this old strut, you just get in here and all you're doing is just prying out this little metal clip and then pull it off of this ball right here. Same with the bottom part. Just a little, just pry that off. See how easy that comes off? And this is, look at that, completely trash. And installing the new one, usually you can just press and they snap in place just like that. Turning it clockwise so we don't unthread it. And here I'm just gonna push up a little bit on the hood and snap it in place. All right, same thing for the other side. The passenger side here, just pry out that clip. Pull the strut off, and same with the top, like so. Just gonna snap that in place, and same with the bottom. Just kind of lift up a little bit on the hood, sometimes to get that to line up, and that snaps in place. All right, now we should be able to take this hood prop out, and you're done. Hood stays up. Very nice. And that's it. Quick and easy fix. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to the replacement struts that I use so you can pick those up as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, 'cause I came to the game and I changed.